Hello viewers, good day. Welcome to the educative segment of the visual talk. My name is Mrs. Alatan Chinyere, and I'm a biology teacher. I take SS1, 2, and SS3 classes. But for the sake of today's segment, we'll be focusing primarily on the SS1 class. Today, under SS1 biology subject, we'll be looking at the science of biology. The science of biology. And at the end of this topic today, you, our learners, are supposed to 1. Define science. 2. State the scientific methodologies. Then 3. Describe or highlight the patterns of reporting a scientific experiment. I'll be right back. Welcome back, viewers. Like I said earlier, the topic for today is the science of biology. We want to relate science and biology. We want to see the relationship that exists between biology and science. And before we do this, we need to understand what science really is. That term, what it really connotes. Many people use the word sparingly, even students use it. Some are even in the science class without even knowing what science really means. Do you know what science is? How do you define science? Science, simply put, is the systematic process of making inquiries about living and non-living things in our environment. In other words, you can say science is the study of natural things in our environment. I want us to take note of the key points there. 1 is systematic process. 2 is the research or making inquiries rather. Then 3 is the living and non-living things in the environment. So when we are defining it, all this should be in place so that our definition would make sense even to a layman. So once again, science is defined as the systematic process of making inquiries about living and non-living things in our environment. I'm sure you are puzzled. What led to science? What brought about the introduction or development of science? The early men were curious about the natural phenomenon around them, about the life forms from plants, animals, and even microorganisms around them. This curiosity led them into serious research, not just haphazard research. That word, systematic process, in science simply means that science is detailed. This research is detailed, is not spontaneous, is not so fast. Is research work that is being put together to arrive at a very good conclusion. So science is not spontaneous. Science is systematic. It's a process. It follows due process. An individual who decides to study science is termed a scientist. I hope we know that. So that is it about science. We'll come back shortly.